Open. All right. Maybe just have a quick read for 1 minute so you understand the problem. Oh yeah, somebody was away today, wasn't she, Cassandra? Somebody was away. Yeah, that's right. I just remembered it now. All right. We've read the question. Do we understand the problem that's at hand? Steve borrows 15K for a new car. He decides to repay the loan plus interest at 6% per annum compounded monthly. He repays the loan in monthly installments of P. Show that after 3 months, A3. Yeah, which is what I usually told you guys you want to get to. You want to do A1, A2, A3. All right, A1, so I. Tell me, give me the math. 15,000, I agree with.
0.
Oh, very close. 1 plus.
Wait, what did I think? 6%?
Wait. Remember the formula is always going to be compound interest formula? So where's your 1 plus R? That's all. That's what you mean. You're saying 6%, but yeah, should be 1 plus 6% over 12.
I only did 6%.
You just did it, yeah. So it's not just the rate. I think that you did one like that last week as well. So keep that in mind. 1 plus R, 1 plus R, 1 plus R, 1 plus R.
Would it or would it not be like minus?
Yeah, 100%. We're going to do that now. But I'm just making sure you're comfortable with that. Minus P. Boys at the back, all good. What's 1 plus 6% over 12? 1.005 minus P. Is that okay? A2. What's A2 going to equal to? Times minus then expand. A1 is all of this, so that should be 15,000. 1.005 squared minus P. 1.005 minus P. We're very close. A3. What does A3 equal to? A2. 1.005 minus P equals 15,000. 1.005 cubed minus P. 1.005 squared minus P. 1.005 minus P. Done. Obviously, that isn't what they asked for. Right? You can see it says 15,000 minus P, blah, blah, blah. That's okay. Trust yourself. We don't like it decreasing. What did I? Yeah, we don't like it decreasing. We want it to be increasing. So the next step. Obviously, do we all agree? Do we all see that this bit is the only part that doesn't have P, which means that bit is definitely going to be that answer? 100%, right? But I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to keep writing it like this, but just letting you know that that comes from there. Anyways, next line, 15,000. Increasing, not decreasing in power, so it should be minus P, minus P, minus P. Okay, then what do we do now? We take the P out. Not can we, you must. You must take it out. 1 plus 1.005 plus 1.005 squared. What does that become now? That's a series. What is A equal to? A is equal to 1. What is R equal to? 1.005. How many terms do you have? 3. A, R, N minus 1 over R minus 1. With any stroke of luck. What? Yeah, I know. But you know I'm not doing it for this question. I'm doing it for any question you're going to get. By any stroke of luck, you plug it into your calculator, it's done. 15,226. 15,226.13 minus P. 3.015. 3.015,025. But obviously, you guys know you could have subbed it in from anywhere here. That you could have just plugged into your calculator, you still would have got this answer. So did you need to use the formula? No. Did you need to keep writing 15,000 to the power of 3? No, you could have actually worked it out straight away. But as you saw from last week, you're going to get stuck when you move on to other questions. Anyways, good, easy, comfortable with it by now? A little bit more, maybe 95%. Double I. All right. After 2 years of repaying his loan, Steve still owes $10,000 on the loan. Right. After 2 years of repaying his loan, what does that mean? How many months? What's the amount left after 24 months? What's the amount left after 24 months? Read the question if you have to. 10,000. So usually when we pay off our house, we said A of 360 was equal to 0 because you paid off everything. But in this case, if you still got money owing, it's going to equal to whatever that money is. So A24 is equal to $10,000. But we still need to write an expression for A24, don't we? We don't have that yet. And that's where all of this comes in handy, what you've done. So yes, I did extra work, but it's because I knew if I didn't do it in I, it's going to probably come up in double I anyways. So double I. A24 equals, I'm going to say follow this line. So A24, give me, if that was A3, give me what your answer would be for A24. 15,000. 1.005 to the power of 24 minus P bracket. One times 1.005 to the power of 24 minus 1 over what's the problem? Right? No problems. It's just instead of the 3, 3, 3, you change 24, 24, 24. It says please find P. What does A24 equal to? 10,000. So we're just going to do a bit of simple algebra. So 10,000 equals, we're going to call that A minus P times B. B is this bit. B is this bit. This is A. So let's find A and B. Good job. How much did you get through?
Most of it.
Yeah, nice. 1 hour.
I do, for one of the graphs you have to do for the differential equations, I just drew in there.
Yeah, nice. Good. We did it.
Yeah.
Ciao. 1 hour. Not bad. So fast. Okay. Let's see what A is. A is 16,907. So A equals 16,907. I'm going to store that. Don't use rounded answers, which you can write it, but don't use rounded. B. B is around 25. Shift store B. Okay. How do we solve for P? Isn't P going to equal to 16,907 take away 10,000 divided by 25? So technically, it's just A minus 10,000 over B. For me, on my calculator. So alpha A minus 10,000 divided by alpha B. My repayment is exactly $271.60 per month. So as long as I pay $271 a month, I can repay back $5,000 after 2 years with the interest. That's the logic.
Why isn't it 10,000 minus A?
Why isn't 10,000 minus A? Because I brought, in my math, I brought this guy over to this side, brought this guy over to this side. To keep P positive. You could have done 10,000 over A, but then you would have divided by negative 25.
Hey, Sally.
Yeah.
How did you do the shift store?
Shift store. So I press 9 times 9, press equals 81. Press shift. Look at the button on top of 7. It should say RCL. Look at the number on top of 7. Do you see it says RCL? Sorry?
Mine doesn't say anything. Oh, wait, no, oh, you got it now. Okay.
You see it says RCL on top of 7? All right. The RCL, if you just look on top of that, in yellow it says STO. That's store. That's your actual store button. So you press shift RCL. Now on your calculator, it should say STO on the top.
Yeah.
Now you pick a letter. So I pick, like, let's just say we press the first one, which is A. Just press the button. Now it should say answer arrow with an A. Does yours calculator say that?
Yeah.
Answer arrow with an A.
Yeah. Okay.
So shift
Oh, yeah.
answer. Now it's locked in as A.
Ah.
So now how do I retrieve A? A is red. So you press alpha A. Press equals 81.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
What if you want to get rid of it?
Shift 9. Why 9? Look again what it says on top of the 9. Clear. Shift 9 and then you just press 3 equals. It's gone. Press alpha A, it'll just say 0. Sounds good. Or you override it. So you're saying, how do I get rid of it? You either clear it or you just override it with another new number. You don't have to clear it if you don't want to. Good. Done? Next one. Good.